Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I've got a small haul for you. Just some stuff to get ready for tonight's release of the Destiny 2, the Edge of Fate video game series. My son's been playing it for 7 years. It's a big deal. We're having a steak dinner to celebrate. It's a whole thing. So I went over to Rose. Oh, I'm not hungry, but I wanted some McDonald's French fries, whatever. So I went over to Rose's and I spent $19 and I got these for football season. You know I've got the basketball ones, but they're just the ice molds in the shape of football so that when my son and I are watching football, we can have those. I got this for his desktop so that he wouldn't have to have the overhead light on so much. And it was like $5.99 at Rose's. It's just one of those LED touch lamps. So I'm going to put batteries in that and let him have that on his desktop. I just needed something smaller. All of my lamps are too big. And then I got 3 of these. They're about 3 feet each and sound reactive LED strip lights. He can plug it into his computer and then tape it around the desk or whatever he wants to do to make it fun. So I got 3 of those. And that was it from Rose's. Then I went over to Walmart and I got him some more hangers. The boy has more clothes than I do. Total there was $62. But we got, come on, some more plastic hangers. These were like $3. They're very cheap. I don't even know if they're going to be holding anything, but I got them for him. I got him another poof that's a little bit more manly because all of mine are, you know, pretty. I got him some protein bars. These are excellent. They're like $6 at Walmart. This was $1. Then I got him some Wind Down Midnight Classico, 24-hour nourishing micro moisture body and face wash, and stood in the aisle forever and smelt all the smells. And this one smells very manly, but it's moisturizing, and that's what I wanted. I don't want his skin to get dried out. We know he's 24. We know. You always go take care of your babies. All right. Then I got him a new mat to go in when he steps out of the shower. We're going to take away Christmas. This one matches. I got myself some cheap wireless headphones with Bluetooth, so that it does have Bluetooth, yes, 33 feet, so that I can sit off to the side because he's going to be recording and streaming and doing all of that. But I'm going to sit off to the side and be able to watch him, but I want to hear all the sounds of the shootings and the people talking and what's going on. So we got that. Then I got him some vitamins because I don't know that he's taken any vitamins and he needs to be taking vitamins. Okay? Mommy says. I got some clean release tape because we used most of it in that other room, and I want to hang that beads storage. So I just got another thing. And then I got some more wall anchors for hanging it. And that is it for the haul. So I'm going to put this stuff where it belongs, and then we'll get to hanging up, hopefully hanging up that. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I ended up hitting a stud in this side, and this side of course isn't. The boards are 24 inches apart, so it's center 24. And it's up there. So I'm just going to finish organizing my beads and buttons and all of that and put those in there, and I'll be ready to start crafting again. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Short and sweet. Just wanted to get that hung up. I'll work behind the scenes to get that all organized. I'm hoping that one day this week we can start working on decorative elements. I want to do some bead work and make some pretty paper clips and different things, and maybe start working on ephemera. Tonight is an overnighter with my son and his game, so I'm really excited about that. I don't know if I'll be filming tomorrow or if I will be sleeping. We're going to do what we can. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.